Today we're going to walk through the assignment, Module 1, Lesson 2, the Silk Road. We're going to be answering the question, how does economic interdependence lead to global interactions? You are going to stop and access the slides located here, either on your Canvas page or the slides linked also on your Canvas page, and follow along with me. You'll have to pause from now and again in order to answer the questions or to watch the video because recording on the screen just isn't going to work for this. So, as you watch the video, I want you to think about the following questions. What is the Silk Road? Decide something that you personally find interesting about the Silk Road and something that you wonder about the Silk Road. You're going to be answering that on your student travel log, which is here. The video is about 5 minutes, so go ahead and pause and watch the video, The Silk Road. Again, it is located linked on your Canvas, or you can go to the Canvas and click through to slide 2 and watch it right here. Go ahead and pause now, watch the video, and come back when you're done. All right, so we are going to be looking at how economic interdependence leads to global interactions. You are already in your Module 1, Lesson 2, the Silk Road assignment under today's date, and you are going to use the hyperdoc that is linked there in order to follow along. We're going to work through this together and just step by step what you need to do and how the hyperdoc works. So all a hyperdoc is a document that has hyperlinks or links for you and information for you to use to follow along on your travel log. You are going to have a task in each box. You need to read the box completely and follow the directions. There are clues to unlock the boxes, and they all come from the readings or videos linked in blue. If you get stuck, please ask me, email me, come to office hours for help. Make sure you keep track of your journey on your travel log. So we're going to start as a silk merchant in Chang'an, China, and you are going to sell your goods in Damascus as your goal to get to Damascus to sell your goods, where you hear silk is in great demand and can reach markets far beyond your own world. Your cousin has a connection to a great camel caravan train leaving from your city that allows you to join. You are going to leave in early spring. For each one of the hyper docs, you have a key or a lock. Okay, the key is going to provide you a password. The lock is going to require unlocking. So every single person here will need to have their hyperdoc, a copy of the hyperdoc open. It is linked right here on your Silk Road assignment sheet. So make sure you have a copy of the slides if you would like to. If you're following along with the video, you don't have to have those anymore. We only needed them for the video. You can also use the ones that are embedded and the hyperdoc. So this box is going to give you the answer. We're going to start with station 1 or stop 1, which is the map. So you already know that there are a lot of cities on the Silk Road. We saw that in the video, and you have to pass through these before you get to Damascus. So you are going to try to find the shortest distance from Chang'an to Damascus and count each of the cities as a point. You're going to trace the route to see which one you think is shorter and count the number of cities marked with the dot. So we're going to go to our hyperdoc. We're going to open the map. The map looks like this. Okay, so we're going to start here. You have your map here that is linked in. You're going to start right here at Chang'an, right? And you are going to end here at Damascus. How many cities are you going to be passing through on the shortest route? Go ahead, pause the video, count, see what you get, come back, and we will look at the number of stops. All right, so if we are counting from Chang'an, which is this big one right here, let's see the shortest route. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one doesn't look like it's the shortest. What'd you get? The answer is 6. There are 6 spots. The shortest route is this upper route. We don't count Chang'an. We do count Damascus, so we'll be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stops. Good job. Let's move on to stop 2. Your goal for stop 2 is to read the information and find 3 dangers of traveling the Silk Road. So we go to our form here. Including Damascus, we have 6. Click next. And now we've got our Dangers of the Silk Road reading, which we are going to open up in a new tab.